Came to school today to jump up and down.
I got you.
Yay! Yay!
Are you ready?
Hooray! That's how I treat you. Move here and a move there. Here, move there, move everywhere. Move, old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Feeding stills and the children are.
We have made some bowls. I have really outdone myself.
Did you say we?
Oh, everyone.
Smart is endearing yourself to me. I don't want to.
This is my BFF
We're going
Rodney.
through a divorce right now. Roselle and I are going through something.
What is
right
he
now.
saying? He's saying, I
I'm not
love
very happy right now with Glozell. For all of Glozell's fans, she's being very mean.
No,
to me
she's
today.
wonderful and she's
No,
being
you just happy to
supportive.
be near.
And she's
Thank you.
encouraging
This is a
of my
barn
brother,
Thank
and I'm
you.
so appreciative of her
Y'all know the
and the
truth.
relationship
Y'all know
she's
the
giving
truth.
him. She's
Yes.
I
just
wish
wonderful.
there was a
Yes.
leech in her voice box right now, so to suck the sound out of her voice, so
See
she
how,
couldn't talk.
you see how he talked to me?
I'm
But
very
guess what?
disappointed
And
in Glozell today. No,
I
very, very
will
disappointed in
always
Glozell. And all of you should be disappointed
No,
in her.
we ain't disappointed in nothing. They love me,
You
and
should
so does Rodney.
No,
Make
that's
sure
not
you
true.
come here,
That's not true.
and we're sitting at his
No.
booth, literally, booth reserved. for
Security
Rodney
knows
Bars.
not to let her at my booth.
hi, William.
They tried. They tried not to let me have this booth
He's
one.
being shy.
Look, hey, shout out. What's your Instagram?
Yeah, tell me Instagram. Sharper,
He's like, I'm trying to
muscles,
eat.
Right?
Sharper Muscles. Check it out on Instagram.
Sharp muscles.
Sharp Muscles. Check him out on Instagram. It's amazing what he does. Hey, boo.
Very disappointed. Incredibly disappointed.
Just the love. And now, Silence by Rodney.
One day you're gonna pay. One day you're gonna need a kidney or some blood or something. There's gonna be something. Jesus don't like the way you're treating me right now.
Jesus know that I.
Jesus.
Why you
don't
brought?
like the
Now see
way
what?
that you brought Jesus into this. You brought Jesus into this. So it's all right. Treat me this way. You should feel guilty. You should feel guilty.
I'm saying
Waited
I'm
to
setting
see it.
Rodney up with a really wonderful person, and he's going to enjoy it.
Yeah, he's gonna go out with her too.
All right. When
All
I
right.
go missing, when I'm on Dateline. When I'm on Dateline, remember this video. There's
Goodbye,
clues in this video.
Rodney. Bye, Rodney's sister. Bye, Rodney's nephew. Nephew. Bye bye. Telling me about her life's issues.
The super is crazy. I had to get out of my own house.
What the elders here are listening to all the crazies. And we're gonna make headbands. And that's it.
That's it.
That's it. Bill is eating inside a box that Deonza cooked. Okay, enjoy. This is how we run our household. It sounds like it. Oh, Deonza. Okay, I can't show you before because we ate it. But we had some vegan chocolate birthday cake, but that job was too good. So was it vegan? I think Whole Foods lying.
I think that vegan desserts just got better.
Maybe because they're in demand now.
They are good. That was good.
Happy birthday, Elle. Yes, happy birthday.
I wish it was her birthday tomorrow. Get some more cake.
I mean, the cakes are still there.
I mean, that was good. Yeah, we don't really need a reason. You'd be like, what? It's Thursday.
Let's do it. Hump day tomorrow.
So we're also making headbands. You know, look at that. Hold up the masterpiece. Elle made us make this thing. And it is adorable. It is really cute.
I mean, here, try it on when it's dry.
Yes, make her try it on and be like, we put it on now, it's stuck to her head. Cancel. All right.
It's dry.
It's dry?
Is that what's going
We were thinking of the top and then the lighter on the purple. Oza, come here. Oza, come here.
Oh. She said,
Ozel.
She said, no, ma'am.
Ozel.
Bring your mom her shoe.
Okay, give it to D. Bring the shoe to D.
Bring the shoe.
He's speaking her language. She loves shoes. Oh, I was like, what should be? Oh,
It's
like
so
you from
funny.
Hawaii.
You look like Moana.
Pick her up so I can see. Oh. That is cute. We throw some feathers on that job. No, just kidding.
It's so cute.
That, Deoza, come on now. I need you to admit.
I told you anything on this kid will look cute.
Oh, that is cute. I almost feel like it's upside down. Like maybe the light should be on the bottom. Like the light on the bottom. I'm thinking.
This where's the back? The back has the little whatchamacallit.
The light, which is upside down, like the light. Okay, let me see yourself. She's like, that's not the way it goes. Okay, all right.